Hi friends! Welcome to Math with Bunny. I'm Bunny, and today we'll have so much fun learning about numbers again. Are you ready? Hop along with me and let's explore. This is number 20. Can you say 20? This is number 19. Can you say 19? This is number 18. Can you say 18? This is number 17. Can you say 17? Now 16. Can you say 16? Now 15. Can you say 15? Now 14. Can you say 14? Now 13. Can you say 13? Now 12. Can you say 12? Lastly, 11. Can you say 11? Once more. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Yes, we did it. Today we learned numbers from 20. 11! You did an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing your numbers, and I'll see you next time for more learning adventures. Bye for now, my clever friends.